Cyril. Cyril. Oh, what's up, guys? Back at it again. And this is my outfit right now. Like, I made this new outfit. And this is the, hat mad glitch. And I have the tan joggers and stuff. My friend with the green joggers. Cheryl. Well, he not talking right now. He doing something. But
Yeah, we have to wait for people.
I know. Now, cause I'm doing the YouTube video right now, and I'm showing them our outfits, showing them my outfit and your outfit. Bro, you gonna help me with the is the red jogger still available? Or did they patch it?
I think so.
It's still available?
I think so.
You could do it for me? You remember how to? Or how to get it? Bro, leave the match. Wait.
No one's joining. Hey, yo, I'm gonna be AFK for a quick. If I'm in the game, don't kill me, alright?
Bro, if y'all gonna be in here, do not use brass snuggles or weapons or do the gun glitch or any of that. You can do chopping, glitch fighting, all of that. Do not do cheat stuff. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Cause he will kick you out. And I'm in the party with him. So guys, y'all niggas gonna be done for, Mo. I saw Delos. Oh, bye. hurt. Should have punched him better. Should have punched him. Oh my god, come on, man.
Bro, why is he chopping me?
No, I didn't chop you.
Did the match restart?
No, it started.
Oh. How's he able to kill me like that?
Okay? Damn.
Yeah, man.
Pop my shit.
Wait, how did he join back? How did that guy join back?
I don't know. Maybe one of the other people invited him. Bro, I'm trying to chop him and you keep on hitting me, man. That was an easy chop for him. Man, it's crazy, man.
Bro, I had to hurry up and get 5 kills.
I try to chop you. Oh my god, bro. Yo.
No health.
He's a adopted child. He's a adopted child.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Get away from me. Owie! The what's the name again? What the noob that doesn't have like modded outfits like us?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the one with the gray thing, the blue thing on.
Oh.
He's an adopted child.
Oh.
Because he keeps on killing. No, he. You see, adopted child.
No, I don't think so.
I'm gonna break my fucking controller, yeah, because it's getting on my fucking nerves. I'm gonna chop the shit out of you. I'm gonna run around chop you. I'm gonna chop you out of nowhere. Keep on playing with me, little bitch. Little bitch. Little bitch. Little bitch. Touch him like that. Don't touch him like... Really, nigga?
Bro, I killed someone.
Killed me.
Bro, I gotta get out here. I'm gonna get a higher score than this player.
Oh.
Don't think so?
Nah, son. I ain't gonna hold you. While you was AFK, everybody was killing you but me. I only killed you one time.
Oh, this guy caught me. Chop, boy.
Oh my god. Bro, niggas be really hogging on dicks, bro.
Bro, you like this outfit I have? The blue doggy?
I said yes already. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, that guy has the pogo.
What you said?
That guy has the pogo outfit. He has the freaking pogo outfit. How?
You said pogo? What the hell?
Yeah. Bro, look at that outfit.
Oh, I know how to get that outfit. That outfit's mad easy to get.
How?
Because you gotta get it. You gotta get it with the what's the name again?
How do you save that as an outfit?
The pogo outfit is so easy. I'm gonna show you when we go in free mode. I bet you ring fights is the only thing you play.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Yeah.
Touch him. Yo, let me, ah! My bad.
I need to get my shooting up.
Chop.
Can you do it? Hey, can you help me get my shooting up? I know.
Yeah.
Get it up fast. Okay. And I'll try to get yours up too. I'll help you get yours.
Damn. 2 punch. 3 punch. You got knocked out. He punched you in your door. You said boom.
Bro, I got
Boom.
more kills than you.
How? What? No, you don't. We both have 16. We're even.
Yeah.
How are you catching me? How? 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 Excuse me? Oh, I should have never jumped in it. Really? Shit. I feel like I want to eat some fries. That me doubles it up on the side. 25 jigs. Don't forget apple pie. Man, a bird. On a.
Bro, I'm top of the leaderboard. I'm third now.
How to weave. Chop. Run around, chop.
Oh, dang it. You run around, chop me. Bro, I want to get really good at running around, chop. Would that be okay? Would that be okay if I do a run around chop like every single time?
Obviously, like you're just.
Bro, people say my character's ugly. Do you really think it's ugly?
Nah.
I think it looks kind of cool.
Damn! Y'all is just knocking me out like I'm nothing. I'm a disappointment to disgrace.
Wait, bro, where did he get that outfit? I want an outfit like this. Can you teach me how to get the tryhard outfit? I want a tryhard outfit.
Damn, he just bat the shit out of me.
Bro, he just batted me.
He kicked me in my butt and I fell down. He kicked me in my butt. Oh, you want this outfit with the parachute?
What?
You want this outfit that I have?
You like this invisible outfit, You like this outfit with that invisible arm?
Bro, how do you get the invisible arms? Yo! He just batted me. Get the hell out of here. He just batted me. Like who? JD? Oh my God! Y'all stay hitting me, but I'm trying to. I chopped him! I chopped him! Let's go! I suicide chopped him! I suicide chopped him! Let's go! I suicide chopped him! Like when everybody was fighting and then somebody punched me and I died, I got the last hit too. Oh damn. Yeah. Glitch fighting.
Bro, that guy is cheating. Bro, this is why I don't like doing glitch. Like, why he cheated.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Bro! Oh my fucking God, bro. How many kills you got? 22? I have 22 too. Oh, get the hell away from me, bro. You're not touching me, bro. That's a fact, bro. Get the hell away from me, bro. Exactly. Beat him up. Oh my God. This adopted child. This adopted child just keep on coming after me. This adopted child. Thank you, JD left. This adopted child. Oh my God, now everybody's using the optimizer. just stupid.
What the heck is he doing?
I got fifth.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I'm at level 28 now. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Niggas be counting me up. Niggas be counting me up, but but it's all in my. I'm ready now. I need to get. The real ones is dying. This niggas is dirty. That's why I like it you all on my dick. Man, no, on my dick. What you said? I said, nah, I was singing the song. I know, I was singing the song. Team deathmatch. No. Bro, let's go free mode. Bro, I thought you said you wanted me to help you with your shooting.
Oh yeah, that's right. I quit.
No. No. I'm made him right now. Yeah, invite me to your thing. Invite me to your session. No one's dying. Bro, first we gotta make you look like a try hard. So you gonna have to put on my outfit. Yeah. Is your session full? Wait. I only have one person in my session. I'm gonna invite you. Bro, just join my session. I just invited you. Imagine you spawned at the ring fight that I won. I just pulled something in my cup. Something I can feel. You're in? Oh, you're over there? Come to the ring fight. For some reason. Shooting?
Oh, yeah. No, alright.
Wait, you want the outfit? You want the outfit now?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what to do, okay? Okay?
Alright. So I'm gonna tell you, so I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna pick you up right now.
I'm on the clock. What you want? Some wheels?
Just come to me, alright?
I'll bring it to you.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm coming to you.
I'll pick you up, alright?
You want me to pick you up or I pick you up?
I'll pick you up. Okay.
No, it's not, but whatever.
No, I just want my driving up, that's all. It's really close down.
Oh my god, bro.
What?
Nothing. Nothing. Fucking cars are fucking retarded. Do not wait. Fly down there. Ah! Bro.
Alright, get in mine.
So first, let's go to the gun store. No, not the gun store. I meant the clothes store.
Wait, you already know how to do it?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's my outfit.
Need to go?
Just go to the one up here. Go to the closest clothes store, like that one.
Yeah, this is the close.
I just bull. In my. Bro, I could have been there already.
Bro, come on, boy.
Literally, I could have been there already. I'm real serious.
Wait, already there?
Yeah, like already here. Do not go to the arm wrestle.
Oh, yeah, I think we can.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can go in here. You can. Wait, don't get out. We need a motorcycle so we can go to so I can have my weapon. Alright, just go in there.
Drift it. You have to drift it.
Anyway, they don't.
Nah. Let me see the car. You got it?
Hope you find it, I guess. Oh,
Are you ready?
hi.
Hold on. Don't do anything. I'm gonna go get him. Okay? Oh no.
Are you retarded? Like, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get a motorcycle so I can have my weapons in there.
You calling for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up. It's coming at you.
Motorcycle. Come on, come back. Motorcycle. Any motorcycle? Any motorcycle?
There's no motorcycle over here.
Check with your sniper.
It's no motorcycle over here. I said there's no motorcycle over here. Alright, are you ready to get the outfit now?
Oh yeah, we did it. Alright, come over here. Come over here and do the close thing. Hold on. Alright, go over there.
Go in here?
Yeah. Did you do it?
What you said?
Did you do it? Get the clothes.
What are you talking about?
Oh, never mind. Alright, come on. I know what to do. Alright, we're gonna go to the other clothes store.
Alright, I'll follow you.
You messed it up.
No, you messed it up because you put the gun in there. Alright, which clothes store are we going to? Oh, the other one?
Come to me. Yeah, over there. How is your car faster? What kind of car is that?
I told you it's the Lamborghini truck.
Look. Boy.
Oh!
Bro. Wait, how?
Yeah, you're there before me because I didn't know the way.
Alright, so, wait, I don't think you can do it.
Yes, I can. Do not pull out a gun.
Alright, what you gotta do?
Alright, so first, do you have tan joggers?
You'll have an extra exciting shopping
I don't need,
experience.
no, we're trying to get our shooting up.
Oh, I was shooting up. So what are we at the close store for?
Alright,
Make a running
we
gun.
gotta go back to the... This is a running gun.
D
You don't think this is a running gun?
bet. Come on.
Alright, get in your car.
Why are we getting in cars if we're gonna?
We have to go back, because, we messed up. I'm gonna tell you what to do when you get here, okay?
Alright,
Okay?
alright.
Alright.
If I catch up to you, you're slow.
Alright, so what you gotta do is not do not have any guns. Do not have any guns. Alright, so come here. Come over here. Yo, what are you doing?
Alright, come where?
Come over here. Come in the back. Come in the back.
Yeah.
And change clothes. You wanna change the clothes. Change your clothes.
Like-
do not exit it, okay?
Like outfits?
Yeah. No, don't do anything once you did that. Do not exit the clothes thing, okay?
I did.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't exit it. Alright, and then I'm gonna do a glitch. Alright. Alright, should work now. Yup, just keep staying like that, okay? Okay?
I see you shooting me.
Okay? Alright?
I see you shooting me.
Yeah. Don't do anything, okay? Not yet, alright? Okay?
Yeah.
Hold on. All I gotta do is off. That's it. Alright, don't move out of anything, okay?
Cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Alright.
As I do so well. Wasn't nothing like that. Man, it wasn't nothing like that first time. She was in my math class. Long hair, brown skin with a fat ass. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes. It started off so innocent. She had a vibe in it, we started digging it. I was a young and straight Russian trying to play this.
What's the thing? Like, what's the...
When I see your eyes on her, and them hips on her, and them lips on her, got me daydreaming, man, what? I'm thinking how she rides on it, if she sits on it, if she licks on it, make it hard for me to stand up. As time goes by, attraction's getting deeper. Wet dreaming, thinking that I'm smashing, but I'm sleeping. I want it bad, and I ain't never been obsessed before. You wanna notice that you ever had sex before? Then,
What's the glitch? So how is that a glitch?
knowing I was frontin', I said I'm like a pro, baby, knowing I was stuntin'. But if I told the truth, I knew that I get played out, son. Hadn't been in business since the day I came out, one, but she don't know that. She done wrote back and told me, oh, you a pro, homie? Well, I want you to show me. My mama gone for the weekend. So Saturday, baby, we be
Get a freaking.
that's when my heart stopped racing and my body stopped sweating, baby. You don't want my little man up. I'm thinking how that
Whoa! He's shooting me in my nuts.
please don't make me stand up. I wrote back like, yeah,
Hey, yo, bro, I have blood all over me.
play it cool, sound like a man. But I was scared to death, my stomach.
Stop shooting, stop shooting.
Well, I was the first.
Yeah, what?
And I ain't never did this before, no.
Why you do that?
Never did this before, no.
Bro, I wasn't gonna sit there and let you shoot me. I know, kid. But you get your shooting up faster when you don't do that.
You finna blown for the first time. I'm hoping that she won't notice it's my first time. I'm hoping that my shit is big enough.
Alright, I'm coming.
And most of all, I'm praying God don't let me bust quick. I'm watching
Okay.
just how to stroke, right? Practice putting condoms on. How it go, right? I'm in a crib now, the palms sweating. With a pocket full of rubbers and an erection. That's when my hands start touching and her face start blushing. And then the roll over on top. And then she get my pants up buckled and her hands start rubbing on me. Ooh, girl, don't stop. It's time for action. Pull out the comments real smooth, yeah, that's how I practice. But tell you before,
I am.
baby, be gentle, cause I ain't never did this before, no. And I ain't never did this before, no. And I ain't never did this before, no.
Alright, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. You got it, you got it. Bro, let's have a battle. With the special carbine. That's getting it up.
First things first, rest in peace, Uncle Phil. You the only father that I ever knew. I get my
Alright, whatever,
I'ma
bro.
be a better you.
Wait, let me kill you though.
Way back in the veil. But Phil, listen, even back when we was broke, our team ill. Martin Luther King would have been on Dreamville, talk to it. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Lame niggas can't tell the difference. One time for it, who knows?
Yeah, she don't wanna be saved, don't save her. She don't wanna be saved, don't save her.
She don't wanna be saved, don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. No role models, and I'm here right now. No role models to speak up. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one. Last night I was getting my feet.
Well, they're shooting me for no reason.
But I swear to God, it's make you call your girl up and tell her, hey, what's good? Sorry, I'm never coming home, I'ma stay for good. They hang the phone up and proceeded later wood. I came fast like 911 in white neighborhood.
Wait, nah, I'm not trying to shoot you.
Think I'm smarter than a risk, 'cause I can
Oh my god, come on, man.
was the same without it. But then I thought back to a better me.
I tried to kill the cops.
Celebrity, before I started calling Christian so heavily. Back when you could get a black without no melody, you wasn't sweating me. One time for my LA sisters, one time for my LA. Lame niggas can't tell the difference.
Bro.
Save her, she don't wanna be saved, don't save her. She don't
Now my car is all the way in the impound.
be saved, don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. I want a real love, dark skin and Viv.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Toothbrush at your
Do you have your car?
gotta wonder whether that's your kid love. I guess I don't want no from reality shows. Out of touch with reality. Out in Hollywood, bringing back
Bro.
666. And then we kick him to the door. You know how it goes. She deserved that. She a bird. It's a bird trap. You think about it in rap, she would flirt back. Taking off her skirt, let her wear my shirt. But she leave, I'ma need my shirt back. You know how it goes. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA.
Alright, invite me, bro.
Lame nigga can't tell the difference. One time for it, who knows? Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her.
You don't wanna be saved,
Don't save her. She don't
wanna be saved, don't save her. You don't wanna be saved.
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably in Tennessee, that says, fool me once, shame on you. If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
Only one time
I'm trying to.
on you. Fool me twice, keep put the blame on you. Fool me 3 times, the peace sign low. Chopper let it rain on you. Fool me 1 time, shame on you. Fool me twice, keep put the blame on you.
Oh, I know this one.
Fool me 3 times, the peace sign low. The chopper let it rain on you. My only regret was too young for Lisa Bonet. My only regret was too young for me alone. Now all I'm left with is from reality shows. Hand of a script, probably couldn't read alone. My only regret was too young.
What you said?
My only regret could never take a Leah home. Now all I'm left with is up in Greystone with the stale face, 'cause they know it's they song. She shallow with the she shallow.
She's shallow.
She shallow with the
He kicked me.
she shallow. She shallow with the she shallow. She shallow with the
Bro, let's fight. Let's fight, bro. Let's fight, bro. Let's fight, bro.
don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't
Come over here, bro. You finna get killed with this suppress. With the
save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her.
bad, 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 bad.
Wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved.
Bro, why are you so scared to what's the name again? Yeah. Bleh. 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 Bro, the only... What you trying to do over there? You tired of fist fighting? Oh, he hit me. I suck? Bro, you're far away from me. You're far away from me.
Hello. Hello.
You have a sniper, I don't.
And I thought about you today. And I thought about the things you used to say. And I thought about the things we did. And I thought about your newest kid. And damn, that makes two now. Oh, what do I do now?
Oh my God.
Never got together. I'd have to be them singing step pops forever. And well, that ain't my thing, cause I ain't even got my own. And I ain't really got no home. No place to put these things I own. And I thought about the things you used to say. And I thought about the games we used to play. And I thought about that little kid. And I thought about the things we did. I always thought that we would be together. I always knew that we would be together. But I don't wanna wait forever. I don't wanna wait forever. Hello. 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 Hello.
Bro, you cheater.
Hello. Hello.
And I still killed you. It's tough. Bro! Fist fight. Hello.
On the rebound, like a book bag, don't just sit back, get on it. Time fly by way too quick, don't it? Reflection, bring regress on it. Rejection, make it defensive, so you project your power with your reflexes. But life is a game with a reset on the end. It ain't no looking back, no, 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 no. It ain't no looking back, no, 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 no. It ain't no looking back, no, 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 no. It's all good. Hey, it ain't no looking back, no, 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 no. It ain't no looking back, no, 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 no. It ain't no looking back, no, 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 no. Hello, 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 hello. And I thought about you today. And I thought about the things you used to say. And I thought about the things we did. And I thought
He's
about
right
you
around
as a
top.
kid. And then it makes two now. Oh, what do I do now?
So, let's go on the straight.
Alright, come on. Alright. Stop hitting me. Alright, so what do you have to do? Like, how you going on?
Like you stay close to the person, and when they try to hit you, like that, just chop them.
Like, when I press L2, it's not,
No, you have to do a L3. Do you not know how to chop?
yeah, I press L2 to stop.
Yeah, but you just said L2.
Like, look at it, go around.
No. Wait, yeah. Yeah. Like, it gotta be like if I'm hitting you like that, or like that. So like, look. Alright, I'm gonna try. Like, look. I'm gonna try and hit, and then you chop me. Look. How about you try and run around, chop me? You see, you can't. You can't do it like that. All right, bet.
I'm a painted house.
You're not supposed to be so like
There is no right or wrong, only a song. I like to write.
like try and hit me.
Be in my zone. Think back to Forest Hills, no perfect home.
Yeah.
The only thing like home I've ever known until they snatched it from my mama and foreclosed her on a loan. I'm so sorry that I left you there to deal with that alone.
You murdering bitch.
Chasing panties, getting gone. Had no clue what you was going through. How could you be so strong? And how could I be so selfish? I know I could be so selfish. I could tell by how I treat you with my girl. Yeah, she's so selfless, but she put up with my way because she love me like you do. And no, it don't always show. I love her just like I love you. And I need to treat you better, but you can live forever.
Like try and hit me again.
More time together. I love you, mama.
Dang, I messed up. I woke up around 99 years ago. Nigga, come on! Try hit me. Oh damn.
Another day, another time. Another day, another time zone. Today I woke up feeling horny, so it's only right I got you praying on my trombone. Keep up, never sure where the words will take me. You beat them up, will return to take me. Trump tight, never selling lazy. Give a virgin an urge to rape me, but please. Best friends treating me great for enemies. My watch gave me, can't wait for one of these. I see, this ain't no Rolex, it's an ABB. I'm hot dog, catch it.
Don't start with that shit. Do not start with that shit. No, not you. What shit? You see? The regular what's the name again? Chop button. Like, yeah, you just run around them. Yeah, you have to lag run so you could go through it faster. Ah! Oh, I missed my whole chop! Whoa! No, that's a stumble chop. Oh! You just killed yourself. What would you do if I died? Would you come to my funeral or what? Or not? Bae, I'm talking to you. Oh, and you my man's man. That's a good. Hey. Bae.
Huh?
Are you, what would you do if I died? Would you come to my funeral and cry?
Yeah, I would go to your funeral and I would cry. I'll stay just sleeping. And I'll be
I'm talking to my girlfriend and I'm talking to you.
I would literally sleep there, either kill myself and go in the same case as you. And what would you do if I died in the funeral?
Obviously come and cry. Oh! I almost did it. Ah, yes I did.
Well, Will would be a master at talking around, cause in 300 years, right?
300? For me, 20. For you, probably 100.
Yeah, Will would be a master at it, right? He'd be really good at it.
That's crazy. Yeah. Oh, I got my stealth at 100. Let's go. I got myself at 100, bro. At the same time, you helped me get myself at 100 because I didn't have ring fights, and ring fights was the only thing that was helping me.
Oh yeah. When you talk, your stealth is incredibly goes up fast. It incredibly goes up fast. Did you know?
Yeah.
Bro, help me get my shooting up. Wait, why are you shooting?
Not. What's up? Hit me. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you.
Oh, dang, bro, that was close.
I know. Could have catch you right there.
What's the best fighting setting?
Like, you mean. Oh my god. How did I miss that?
Hit me. Hit me.
The hell? This nigga is lagging. Ah!
I'm having a red dog. I'm gonna get the duffel bag on this. Let's go. Bro, come here. Spider, come here.
Well, I have a gun in my hand.
I see that pistol.
I know, that's why I took it out. Really, nigga?
Bro. Nah, don't do that.
You heard the birds?
Oh, man.
Oh, fuck you. I'm at low health. How? Oh, that's crazy. I'm at low health. Oh, man.
Why? They should just make stuff free.
Exactly. Sometimes it's free when you kill your, like, when you don't have money, but that's like a.
My money is negative 1.222. Still practicing. Bro, I can top you right now. Alright, this is practicing, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, one more, and then I'm gonna get my shooting up.
Yeah. But we have to battle. Like, you can't just shoot and kill me.
No, I meant my shooting up didn't close split, so you don't die.
But that's too much work.
No, it's not. I'll do it for you.
Alright. Hold up, wait. Do not hit me. No, I quit the session. Oh my god.
Wait, how you quit this session?
Because I was looking at my stats to see if my shooting was all the way up already. And, yeah, I clicked Franklin by accident. Just invite me, please. Bro. I've been had out broadcast. It's nothing, it's just me filming myself. My friend was supposed to join, but nah. Right. It's Jamaican, rude boy. Nah. I live in New York. You gonna invite me?
Get in here and deal with the guard.
Are you gonna invite me?
This wasn't meant to get messy.
I am ready.
Yeah, I'm joining. That's you. That's you looking at me. Bro, if I could find my PlayStation camera, bro. I can't find it right now. I don't know where it is. Oh, I found it now. I found it. I want to, but at the same time, I don't want to. Because then I have to plug it in my PS4. That's going to be too much work. I'm joining your session right now. I'm joining your session right now. I'm reading that video this way.
Burger shop. Burger
Beep, 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 beep. Alright. Bro, guess what? Guess what?
Yeah?
Guess what?
What?
Nothing. You guessed it, nothing. Bro, come to my house. I'm gonna invite you to my house so you could be in Los Santos.
Oh yeah, I need to get my car back.
Yeah, from the impound, right?
That's right, I don't have any money.
Wait, you don't have $250?
Wait. Can I go?
Yeah, you can do it, but do you have like the mask that I have on? Like, do you have a mask like that? You do? Do you have a bulletproof helmet? Cause you need a bulletproof helmet. Bro, when you get out the house, just hop in the car. Hop in the car right now. Hop in the car. Hop in the car. Alright, thank you. Bet, I'm gonna be the best at driving. Bro, why do you have a Uzi in my face? Like, do you wanna die?
No, I can see the...
Oh, so you wanna play like that? You wanna play like that?
Alright, you want to see my history? Alright, hold on. 1, 2, 3.
You too. What's up? Stupido.
Alright, man. Come on, drive. Boy, you're not the best at driving. Tell me you're driving.
No. It's so weird in first person. Yeah. Exactly. Alright. Is it good? You see, no crashes so far. No crashes. Don't even. Ha! Let's go! I didn't get the crash! You want these nuts? Bro, you see those drifts, bro? It's crazy. You idiot.
Oh yeah, that's right. I don't have enough money.
You don't have $250?
Nope. I'm broke. I don't have anything. It's at 0.
So hop in my car. Wait, is your car on the other side?
Oh yeah, I can just get my car. I don't have to pay that fee.
What are you?
I can just get my car. Bro, I can steal it.
No, you don't steal your car. You gotta come over here. Look. Come to me.
Yeah, I know.
Jump on top of my car. And then jump over. And then grab your car. Meet me on the other side.
Bro. I can't get my car. Where's my car?
What you said?
Wait. Can you go in the hospital? What are you doing? Why are you doing yourself?
Oh, they took my car? That's crazy. Now I have to pay another fee.
We have to go back.
Excuse me.
I can still cop car. Bro, I can still cop car.
How you died?
I gotta get my car back.
What? He crashed into me. You know what? I'm tired of this. Is it lasers? Nah. Oh my god, get out the way, bro. Killed you by accident. My bad. Nah, because I already did. Cause, bro, we gonna steal our cars. I'm not paying that fee. Come on, bro. Come on. Come over here.
My car goes get no. Oh, bro.
I got the car. Come on.
I got the car.
You got killed? I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, under the train station? Right here, right here. But your car is slow. Aw, dang. I got a Lamborghini truck and but I have none on me. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come. Yeah. You wanna put your vehicle in the water? They're following off me. I'm going over. Oh shit. We're stuck. Get up where? Oh yeah. Where did you go, Mom? Bro, I'm on the train track. Bro, how is my car faster than the train? Excuse me, Anzar. Oh my god. Move. Come on. Oh my god. Stop. Stop.
You know what's gonna happen? I put you in that figure for a legend. You wanna smoke?
I don't know.
You wanna smoke?
No.
Huh?
No, no. No. No.
Cool?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I ain't fixing nothing. Alright, you got it. I'm gonna fix it. Same. You see, Mom? Yes.
You gonna tap out, Shannon?
I already did. Leave me alone now.
Why you shot so low on my first trailer, right?
Where? Oh, my bad.
Oh,
I don't. God, no. Ew! Well, you know what he did? He put my own sock in my face. Ew! I hate you. Bro, I gotta go to Leicester. I gotta go to Leicester to get my GTA jobs because I want to do a heist right now, but I can't. So why? I wanna get. I'm gonna help you get your shooting up, and then I'm getting at Leicester. Where are you, man? The mini map is not gonna help me. Look how. Yo, Inzar. I hate you. Why would you put my sock in my face? What? What? Leave me alone. Oh, Miss Anzar, where's my $70? But I have no doors. What happened? Yeah, you want me to put my car in? But your car is small. You have to go in stealth mode. Yes, you do. How are you supposed to get in now? I'ma just make outfits until you get in there. Ma! That's crazy. It's crazy. You're in now?
Go in the back and do the close thing and do not quit it, okay?
Are you gonna come on or not? Like, why are you all the way?
We can't get out.
Oh my god, bro. I should knock you out. Just kill yourself. It is $0.
I know. Wait, how is it $0 for you? Did you do the player mode?
No.
Alright. Go back in there, and then I'm gonna get the gun, right? Okay? Alright. All you gotta do, look. What are you doing?
I'm moving a car.
Yep, just go do it here. You gotta go to the side. Right here. No, it's right here.
Let's just go through the side.
Yeah, you don't have to do this side. Let me make it so the
And you're making it so hard because how are we supposed to get back out? Huh?
we just
You see? You see? That's crazy. What are you doing?
Did you do it?
Yes, I did it.
Okay, go. Alright.
Yes. Yes, yeah. I didn't. You closed the shop. So it kicks me out. Dumbass. Punch me. Or you gotta.
Wait, should I make a job where we can fight in the coaster? No, get the heck away from me.
What did you do Tuesday festival?
Yes. Ah, come over here. Exactly. That's because of these cops. They shot me.
I'm sorry, but I'm sorry.
Bro, what the?
I'll just shoot you in the cop.
Chaos! Cops! Mess! I cannot take it! You leave now! I must go home! Enough! You're terrifying! Just give me a...
Yes. much is this house? I could literally buy this house. How much is it? Is it over 500K? Cause I have 1 million. I have 1 million. 1 million. Bet. What happened?
Hello, this is
Nah, I don't trust you.
Insurance. I think we can do that.
I'm not even trying because I'm calling something. I'm calling something. Oh my god, bro. What did you get? I'm calling up my car.
I'm on the clock.
Yes, and I have to wait a minute. Yes.
What that mean, Sanjay? You said she was a doctor. What that mean? Huh?
But I have to go. Yeah. Because I'm going to my bed. Like what? Crazy.